stoked for the day?
Yep.
It's always exciting to get a new piece of machinery, huh?
Yeah.
Even if you don't have room for it.
No, there's no room at all.
Yeah. No room at all. We'll just add to it though.
Yeah.
We'll
make room.
That's kind of how my place is. I don't have room for anything.
Yeah.
And I just stuff it in there.
Yeah. Just make a corner, make some space,
Yep.
shove it in there.
Yep.
All right, let's get this trailer hooked up.
I'm excited to pass my junk on to you though.
I'm excited to take your junk, dude. Holy shit.
You guys painted it.
I didn't paint it. Save Squinch painted it. But yeah, it's painted.
Right there, above your face.
Oh, holy shit.
Technology, dude. Modern truck.
Modern trucks are ready for towing and shit.
It's not even, it's 2010, so it's like modern.
Yeah, it's modern.
Yeah, that's
to us,
modern
dude.
to me.
Yeah.
Never had anything that new.
Close it real quick. I'm just gonna take the truck and trailer down there.
Oh, yeah. Is there a cup holder? Did you show that?
Yeah.
Thanks. So, just saw the car for the first time, and holy shit, dude, it's so cool. Oh my god. Like I said in the beginning of this video, this is one of those cars I never really thought I'd get. Oh my god, dude. We've got a lot of cars. We've seen a lot of amazing cars. But this one's one for the little kid in me, dude. Oh shit, I cannot believe this. I bought another Z. Well, I kind of bought another Z. I didn't really buy another Z. Corey bought this car originally, but I've been doing a lot of work on Corey's JZX, and I brought up trading this car for the rest of the work that needs to be done on his car, and took me up on that. Yeah, I'm so stoked about it.
the true sign that you drift.
Yeah. Obviously, it's been hit. Needs love. But we'll be able to get it right. Holy shit.
This is way better than I thought.
It's hard to tell.
Yep. Thanks.
Screen went off. Autofocus?
It does, yeah.
Alright.
I'll fuck it all. You guys even good as mine.
I don't know what the other cover is. Yep, it's all there. Just need some love. Get some nice BCs.
It's already got the BCs. We're good to go on that front.
Mandatory.
All right.
It's got pine needles, so you know it's from the Northwest.
Cool.
What'd you say?
That's a big engine. This thing's so long.
Mm-hmm.
Oh my god.
Yeah, dude, that's what the L's for.
Look how how easy the starter is.
Yeah. This is when you're supposed to work on your car.
Yeah.
Holy shit, dude. Oh, fuck yeah.
It's all there.
I think those are just like eBay specials.
Yeah.
Fucking dude, this is so cool. I like, yeah.
It's not as bad as you thought, huh?
No, it's way better than I thought.
Yeah, we were
shit.
psyching ourselves down last night, going like,
last night we were like,
you know,
well, this is gonna be a
Right here is a
shit
real
ton of-
common area for rust, but you can see it's very minimal. You have one over there too.
the rust door.
Very minimal to almost non-existent, but it has been sitting out a little bit. But yeah, but you can see every which way in the chassis here, like everything's still solid.
No, the chassis is like very, very nice.
Yeah.
Holy shit, dude. The heirloom car. What the fuck? Holy shit.
There's parts back here too. Let's pop this. Somehow. I don't want to break this. Is there a... There we go.
Sleeping bag, you know,
Yeah, so
just in case.
Jonas, come here. Here's a brand new whole sealant kit around the car for the door and everything.
Fuck
I think it's from Nissan. Or it might be. Yeah, so all new seals for the whole car. Because all of them are toasted. But you can see up in here, like, look, there's some here. But up here, everything is solid.
Yeah. Holy shit.
So just some minor stuff here and there. Not terrible, but not good.
Oh my god, it's Plasti Dip.
Really?
It's Plasti Dip.
It's plastic dipped. Holy shit.
Holy shit, it's Plasti Dip.
So I wonder if the whole thing's orange.
No, it is. The whole car is orange.
Ah, Patina Z. Dude, fuck painting this car. If it doesn't have rust, run it.
Yeah, that kind of sucks.
I think.
Check this out,
I think I
Jonas.
might end up. There's a
Fasteners.
dude in, Cuba, I believe, who makes like full quarter panels, and I think I might get one from him and just replace the whole thing.
Yeah,
I mean, we might just fucking try to pull this out and see how far we can pull it.
I mean it's workable, but I mean this sucks. But yeah. But other than that, there's not like.
You got neochrome lugs. I mean, you know,
Tuner lugs.
right there.
Yeah. Don't steal these wheels.
If you can see, it's hard. I know it's hard for you to see, but if you get down there and look under the chassis itself, you'll notice that there's hardly any rust. There's surface rust, but like not anything that's
There's a glove.
detrimental to the car.
Datsun. Yeah, that's funny.
Oh, the coilover did break in the back.
Did it?
Yeah,
Can you fix it? Probably just weld it, can't you?
maybe. We'll see. But yeah, it's the coilover.
No.
The coilover broke off the knuckle. We'll see what we can do. You can buy corners from BC, which is really nice. So,
Yeah. You can see why I wanted it so bad and what I was gonna do with it before we decided to make our deal, but fuck. Don't let it go anywhere, and if you do decide to part with it one day, be the first to let me know, please.
yeah,
That's the deal, all right? Is that a deal?
we'll do.
Okay.
I don't know about these.
Yeah, nah.
Well, this one's, I don't know what the deal is with that, but this one's OEM.
Holy shit. I'm glad it has a stock hood on it. They make some ugly hoods for these things.
Check it out. When this is on, Jonas, slide it over. Look at that, dude. Changes the whole look of the car, doesn't it?
Yeah.
so
goodness.
cool, dude.
Holy shit.
It's like finding an old man's junk. You're like, everything is so cool about it. He's got to see, dude.
Find rock.
Holy shit, dude. It's so cool. So this is like... Fuck, dude. This is weird. It's so fucking
It's impossibly
sick.
good.
Yeah.
I mean, it's probably just rotted in places we can't see or something, but it looks really, really good.
Uh-huh. And it's got so much of it here. Fuck. Dude, it's so cool. It's all there. I was just excited to have I don't know, the possibility to like put one of these together, but this doesn't look like it needs to be put together so much.
No.
Like, you know,
I'm thinking there'll be plenty, but
no, there'll be lots to do to it, but like, holy shit.
It's definitely something special. Hey, we should go steal Chip's stuff.
I just looked at that like the same time you did. I was like, whoa.
That's for Hero, I believe. Yeah.
Yeah, it looks like a Sifiro.
Yeah, it is.
what's up?
Oh, the
Need some arrow?
he's just got some Origin Safiro bumpers
Chips.
out in the wilderness.
Chip's just got some Sefiro bits hanging on the roof of his shed over there. I
Someday will
cannot
have one.
fucking believe this, dude. I thought that blue that's on the car was spray paint.
It is
It's
just the
plasti dip.
easy spray paint.
It's the spray paint that doesn't ruin everything. Don't get me wrong, it sucks ass
It's
still,
different
but
kind of ruin. Easier ruin. Less ruin.
I'm tripping the fuck out right now. The little kid in me is fucking chooching.
Oh, I found another one.
Corey's got more bumpers over there. Do you approve, Sam Squanch?
Are you kidding? Yeah, between Abby Supra and this thing, like they're not my cars, but the dream cars from back in the day are coming home. They just don't belong to me.
Well,
Which is a good thing, to be honest.
you can drive them though.
True. I think I care more about looking at them, honestly. Just sit and look at them. They don't break that way.
That was full fucking.
Let her roll.
You good?
What?
Oh yeah.
You just
Dude,
blissing out,
yeah, I'm fucking freaking out. It's,
freaking out.
yeah.
Block heater.
This could work better for you right here. The two clippy guys. You want to?
Sure.
These things are nose heavy as hell.
Let's get this thing.
You want to block it real quick?
Probably smart.
Okay, hold on. Let me find the chunk of stuff I just threw.
Oh, it's
Whoa!
Alright, how much you want me to push it?
Z.
I think you're okay to get that off.
Oh,
Hey, look, an actual.
There's spots.
Doesn't even need to run.
there is rust. It's around.
Look at that. No, I think
It's around. I know we'll find some, but like overall,
Plus
this
we have
car is
spares of these.
in really, really good shape.
These are.
I'm so excited.
Let me get this stuff out. Hold on a second.
Whoa. It's way better than I thought it was gonna be.
I will go wherever you want to go.
We got the Z all loaded up on the trailer, and we're gonna start heading home. I am so stoked about this thing. Also, Sasquatch, what else were we picking up?
Oh, powder coat oven.
Yeah, powder coating bits.
We need to stick more thicker coatings on things, more durable coatings on things.
Indeed.